Welcome back to Slate Bites. In this lesson, we'll enter a gift on Alexander Hamilton's record. We'll start by clicking New Gift and entering the gift amount. Next, we may choose a pledge or planned gift to fulfill. This includes soft credit pledges and planned gifts, as well as pledges and planned gifts associated with records that are linked to Alexander Hamilton as a relationship. As we begin typing a fund name, records from the funds dataset will be auto-suggested. Upon selection, the gift is linked to the fund record. Next, we'll choose a gift type, a prompt list that can be customized by your institution. Status is defaulted to received for gifts in this category, but can be configured to allow more options. Moving on to connections, we can select an opportunity, sometimes referred to as a proposal, from Alexander's record or any related records. Like funds, campaigns and appeals are auto-suggested and link the gift to the respective dataset record. In this example, the spouse relationship type is configured to be the default soft credit. All other relationships are suggested soft credits, unless configured otherwise. We also have the option to assign a soft credit type, override the soft credit amount, or add additional soft credits. We can add multiple tributes with customized occasion types, either linked to another record or entered as free text. Under Details, you may choose to add notes, mark the gift as anonymous, enter an external ID, or adjust the fair market value. That concludes the standard gift fields. Fields below this point are custom fields. If you are entering a split gift, you may click the arrow to the right of the Save button to save and split. This commits the first gift and copies details for the next one, while grouping all related splits with a shared gift group GUID, or GUID. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for all the newest Slate Bite videos.